Yeah, sanibona guys. Obviously ngiyangibona ngivukile lana. So fast ngicalile ngiyaklina la endlini because yeah, eish. Ilanga lami lana it's not really interesting, but like I must give you content. So like yeah, I must give you content as I was promised. So and this one, sorry for the delay guys. Actually don't fast ngiyaphuma lana ngiya eshawa kahle kahle ngifuna ukuprepare for i-gym and then ngihlangana nala majita lawa la ngiyakhombisa ngiwatshela ukuthi niyovela ku-vlog angishabathanzi ukuthi kubavete. Anyway ngifikile la e-bathroom guys, ngithi namhlanje nginikhombe ishawa yethu la e-Otenikwa house Otenikwa ukuthi kanjani. Yes incane but the point is to shower, hayi ukuthi sitawenda tinto la siyageza kuphela and then isicethile guys. So fast-ke sengicalile ngiyageza la guys. Kuthi ngishuthe njani le video yami aningibuti nje lokho guys, kodwa na-ke ngiyageza yeah. And then fast-ke sengikhombisa i-drip yami, ngibuka ukuthi ngimuhle njani mara kwamama kuyakwati kudala yanibona kuse hayi muntu muhle guys, muntu muhle yo let's boost hey. Yeah, so guys hayi sengiyaphuma ke lana ngiya e-gym. As always, like it's my everyday routine. Ngiyaphuma ngiye gym guys. Yabo kubalekile phela ukuthi like you must care for your health and your body, and yeah nje that's the thing. So yeah guys, lana ngiyahamba and then all of a sudden ngivakhala mavuvuzela mina hawu kuntikana laphayana manje. Hey guys, ikuyakuza ngikhona kunivisa ke labantu ukuthi bakhala sama sound lathini, but they are weird nje. Anyway, I'm not judging. Sicubeka siye gym. Fast isifikile gym la guys. Hayi imvotha seyikhombisa situruturu sayo nemfast lapho. Khombisa ukuthi into sisebenza manje efonini lelingade ukuthi yini situruturu isigubhu. Yeah, sigubhu guys. Anyway, yeah now ama weights lengwaliftako ke loko 7 kg na loko 5 and then naloko yini kuyi3 kumbe kuyingakho sengikhohliwe ha. Anyway, it doesn't matter guys. Ngathi sengicale ngalolu kukhulu kwakhona loko 7 kg. Ngiyalifta guys 1 2 and khona bese ngiliftile 100 la just ukuthi bese sengihlangana nalo sesi na ngiyamcela ngithi hawu eseshe ngicela ngisho ukuthi ayisena okay angisho yachameka akade phela ukuthi konfotha kunemfati ucabanga ukuthi kutamsoma hayi kanikhululeka sisi khululeka hey nginemfati ngiyadlala guys hey ngishuthile sesi out of a goodness of her heart and I'm just making a joke nje. Yeah, hey fast ngiyamove to another one guys. This one invota la ithatha ngilift ema 35 kg yabona hey ngoba phela bese ngitsiniwe phela yebo ukuthi ishashwa kanjani le. Yeah, hey ngithi ngiyazama mina hayi invota yasheshe yatsina guys, ayingeke hayi yabona into e-gym le siyafa man, siyatibulala lapha. Hey guys, mara ngiyangibona nje angimone muhle guys, engimuhle kakhulu ke mama kuyakwati kudala. Yes ish buka nje yo asikonweni ulucky guys. Yo anyway guys, ngiyaphuma la ngiyarealize ukuthi yathini la ngimane ngamosha 461 ngabhadala i-gym kube ngiyi lapha ama-gym akhona nje. Hayi manje sekusenani guys, ngibhadalile so I must utilize the gym. Oh anyway sengibuyile lana ke ngiserest like into washa tindishi ke la guys, like you know because I always wash my dishes after, you know. So yeah, ne fridge bekufuna ngiclean ne fridge guys. Yo fridge yami ngcolile plus iyangidisappointa. Yeah eish nanga mina guys sengiyawasha lana ngibona mos fast ngiyawasha ngize badlala music ngala isayidini ngiyaw-enjoy yabo badlala music wama 2021. Yeah eish nayibona i-fridge envotha guys red inengadi kusho ukuthini lokho ngidla inyama phela ngemswati mina ngidla inyama guys, ngidliwa inyama kuphela la. Hey net ngusinayo le fridge lena mana ayingendeli justice. Yes inyama yami iyayibolisa somne njalo mina kufuna ukuthi inyama vele nje guys ngiyahlupheka ngathi nokuthi ngidawuthini ngenyama yami. Fast ke ngiyaphuma nesikhaftini sami singcolile nje sikhombisa ukuthi i-fridge beyingcolile yabona. Yeah, amajita avela lana and awathanzi kuvela but ngiyakhombisile omunye wakhona uyangithuka la. Hayi guys nani. Anyway fast ke busy ngiyasula lana ama-equipment ami yaboti no-fridge netikhaftini naloko. Hey mama makangathi kusesikaftini ngisendani la hayi. Hey lendlela singcole ngayo hayi nani and Tupperware don't vasi hayi uyayibona le mvu yakho hayi Isikhaftini sami kwende njani siyangidurela phela. Boma-ke ndiyabathi nama-Tupperware apho. Anyway guys, sengiyapheka ke lana, ngipheka my dishes, you know, my things. Cause sengicedile phela lokuwasha, yabona mos, ya imvoza phela ikhuthele le, imvoza iyadendela. Anyway, naku-ke lokho efriji kwemasimba lo guys. Yes, siyabona ifriji le yanginyanyisa manje. Sengileni ifriji guys. Yathi mina nginetidzingo letiningi kakhulu, ngiyahlupheka, but anyway, since nginayo kude lenye lengitakwenda guys, ngidawusebenzisa yona. Busy ngiphoka ustrugglisha la kupheka tindlu tami. But ngiyayibo guys ihlobile, phela tindlu tethu siyatiwasha. Buka nje le plastic lekucala lenyama la ngilifakile kunenyama lebolile laphaya. Mara sitawuthini, simaswati inyama ilahlwa, inyama siyayidla. Siyidla njalo. Yo guys, man, asidla inyama lebolile ngiyadlala. Ngitawuze nithi maswati wathi. Anyway, ngoba le fridge bengidefrostile laphayana bese sekuyathamba, so bekufuneka inverter ngikukhuthala kwayo ithathela kwemop lapha storage lokusebenzisa ngilabo make bese seyasula laphaya. Abafuni nama-mop nabomake la. Ayinani. Anyway, that doesn't matter guys. Fast siphumile lana ke namajida. Yabona sesishaya igwijo. Nakhona naye ngizaba igwijo. Hayi. Bangihluphe kakhulu first day yami nanyalo ku-third year yami bafuna ngiqhubeke namagwijo. Hayi mina vele guys, hayi. Hayi, naba ke bo Angel ngimtshelile ukuthi utawuvela ku-vlog wangathembi. Nemngane wakhe la, umngane wakhe sitangixolela manje ngimkhohliwe ligama. Nje ngimkhohliwe kuMangmati. Asathi anyway guys, naku-ke seyihlangene la libandla lonke irasi yonke ke le bayahlabela guys. Yathi bengitanivisa namanje solo ngiyabuva buhlungu ukuthi angikhoni nje ku-editha. Ngi-edithe like ngikhona ukuthi iclip leso nive ukuthi bathini bani. Hayi guys, ilanga lethu niyathi ngosilicetha ngikufunza as bafunzi. You know there is no rest for a law student guys. So hayi anginaplan guys, kumele ngifunze lana ke. Anyway, bye bye guys. Hayi sobonana kuleli tako i-vlog sharp.